In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some apps and websites that will get you paid instantly. And I don't want to deceive you when it comes to getting paid immediately, because several of these websites have a certain payout threshold, but I chose specific websites that only have a low payout threshold. And the instant payout part does happen when you are actually able to withdraw your money, in which you will get paid straight to your account immediately. That's what you can expect when you use these apps and websites. So for app number 1, we have SuperPayMe. This app will instantly pay you for doing different tasks like completing online surveys, downloading particular apps, playing games, and more. There is also a referral program you can sign up for and earn even more money simply by inviting people to use this app. As you can see here, it says online paid surveys for money, get paid today. And then right here it says cash out instantly. So when you earn money and cash out, you will receive your money in a few minutes. And all you need to do is earn at least $1 to withdraw your earnings. Another great aspect about this app is that you can get paid out through PayPal, Skrill, gift cards, and more. So if you're located in a country that doesn't allow PayPal, there are a few other options here that you can take advantage of. The next app we will take a look at is one called Survey Time. This app will pay you for taking surveys. And this app will pay you faster than most apps on this list because right when you complete and submit your survey, you will get paid immediately. They also have several different payout options as well. You can get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, and more. They also include a really solid referral program, which is definitely how you will be able to make the most amount of money with this website. You'll be given a link that you can share with others to sign up. The next app number 3, is called Offer Nation. This is another money-making app or website that has a very low payout threshold, similar to that of SuperPayMe, and they are actually run by the same company. You will be paid out right when you earn $1. They also include several different payout options as well, like PayPal, Wise, Skrill, Amazon gift card, and more. They will also pay you instantly. The next app I will show you is one that won't pay you as much, but it's a great app nonetheless. It's called Citizen Me. You will be taking surveys, and every time you submit your survey, it won't even need to be reviewed. You will just get paid instantly. I would say that this is one of the fastest paying apps out there out of all of these. For app number 5, we have Earnably. I've shared this app before, and it is definitely one of the fastest paying apps you can use. The payout threshold is also super low, where you will only need to earn $1 at a minimum to cash out. And right here it states what you can do to earn. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It's that easy. And if we scroll down a bit, we can see that you can get paid via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and more. So check this out for yourself if you're interested. And now for the last app on our list, app number 6, we have InstaGC. This website works worldwide, and you can get paid by taking surveys. You can also watch videos, shop online, and search the web to earn money through this website. But being able to do some of these will depend on which country you live in. Some are available and others are not. And the minimum threshold to cash out is $1. So that completes our list of the 6 best paying apps and websites. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.